Chart of the week, crypto may now have its own inverse Cramer and profits are in the millions. The winning strategy lately? To the opposite of James Wynn, said Lookonchain, Jim Cramer, anyone? Meet James Wynn, the pseudonymous trader on Hyperliquid who became famous for his $1 billion Bitcoin short bet, could now be gaining a new kind of fame as crypto's own inverse Cramer. For those unfamiliar with the Cramer lore, he's the high-octane, loud money mascot of CNBC's Mad Money, a former hedge fund manager turned stock picker with a hit-or-miss track record that turned into a meme. Many retail traders started doing the exact opposite of his recommendations, and the idea became so famous that an inverse Cramer ETF was launched. It was later shut down, but the meme lives on. Now, crypto traders might have found their new inverse Jim Cramer in James Wynn's trading wallet. The winning strategy lately? Do the opposite of James Wynn, said blockchain sleuth Lookonchain in an X post, pointing to a trader who has been making millions by doing exactly the opposite of James Wynn's trades. 0x2258 has been counter-trading James Wynn, shorting when James Wynn goes long and going long when James Wynn shorts. In the past week, 0x2258 has made $17M, while James Wynn has lost $98M, Lookonchain said in the post. $17 million in a week just by inverse betting on one trader is not a bad payday. However, this might be a short-term trade, and one should be very cautious as things can change lightning fast in the trading world, leaving punters millions in losses if not hedged properly. Even James Wynn said, "I'll run it back, I always do. And I'll enjoy doing it. I like playing the game," after the trader got fully liquidated over the weekend. So, maybe this Reddit gem, how much money would you have made if you did the exact opposite of Jim Cramer, would never translate to include James Wynn. But the sentiments, though, are loud and clear. In a market where perception is half the trade, even your P&L can get memed. A bonus read, Jim Cramer doesn't know Bitcoin. Ayan Ashraf is CoinDesk's head of Americas. He spent almost a decade at Bloomberg covering equities, commodities, and tech. Prior to that, he spent several years on the sell side, financing small-cap companies. Ayan graduated from University of Toronto with a degree in mining engineering. He holds ETH and BTC as well as ADA, SOL, Atom and some other altcoins that are below CoinDesk's disclosure threshold of $1,000.